Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to calculate a length of a string in C++. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we will do, we will try to take one string. For that, the data type will be string, variable name will be LFC, and the input you can take as hello world. As we are using string as a data type, we have to include string header file also. Now if you want to calculate the length of this string, that is hello world, then what you will do, you just will use the function that is lfc.length. So this is the function which is used in C++ to calculate the length of any particular string. So suppose you want to calculate the length of the variable LFC who store the value as hello world, then you will use the variable name and the function length with brackets and the semicolon, which is used to end any statement in C++. So when you run this code, you can see it will give integer output that is 11. So when you count, hello contain 5 words, so it will take the space also as a count. So hello plus this space as a 6, and then world will contain the 5. So 5 plus 1 plus 5, so it will give 11 as an output. So in this way you can calculate the length of any string in C++. You can change the input also according to yourself. Suppose I give some random input. So I have given this input as LFC, a programmer portal for placement preparation and to find the best online programming tutorial. So I given this amount of line in variable LFC. When I run this code again, you can see the length, it is written as a 91. So this is the length of this text. So in this way you can use any of the tags and you can find the length in C++. So this video is basic regarding the C++, how you can calculate the length in C++ with the help of this function. You can try this functioning in your C++ compiler, because when you try, it will clear your concepts regarding C++ and strings in C++. So if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with everyone who wants to learn C++. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.